Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Shiba Inu coin or token for now, but very soon going to become a coin. Well, massive price action, guys, and I'm very happy to see that whatever they actually held up as a bargain or a tagline as Dogecoin killer, well, they did do it today for a brief amount of time at least, due to whatever reasons, which was not under the control of Shiba Inu token community out there. Uh, Shiba Inu did cross over Dogecoin and was in eighth or seventh position for a brief amount of time, but then due to certain technical snags or issues that were happening out in various exchanges as well, I, it did drop down a little. And right now it's sitting at the 10th position, just waiting for another run to surpass Dogecoin, surpass even XRP in terms of the market cap or value. Well, it's happening and it's inevitable, is what my opinion is. This is Mr. Aslan. Crypto education is my passion, guys. This is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my views on a cryptocurrency token, just done for educational purposes only and entertainment too, right? Moving on, guys, let me just quickly check on the price and let's run through a quick tweet on what's happening with Bone Unleash as well in the background, because yes, Shiba Inu coin is it's ramping up pretty quick, and whatever the analysts actually believed, everything has been shattered. So they said yes, it was going to drop, but then yes, it did drop yesterday. Even I said that it is going to definitely drop and probably hover around this 7,000 mark to a certain extent, and that's what is happening right now. You can see 7,200, 7,400 is somewhere of a new support line that is actually forming right now. Pretty early to actually say that it is the hard support that's available for Shiba token right now. You never know. I mean, if the issues with the liquidity and other stuff on the exchanges portion are fixed, and those exchange issues are actually sorted by the end of the day today, my time, and probably it's a new beginning for the US side of the market or the European side of the market as well. You never know that the bull run might again kick off and it might continue to much higher, and we can even see that it almost reached the point where it was uh, eating away a zero, and it had to drop down due to various other technical snags from the exchanges. And it's not about people who are not ready to buy, guys. People were FOMOing into the token. People were really interested into getting into purchasing this token and buying it for good amount of profit and holding it for long term. There were a lot of new investors who wanted to get into Shiba Inu because of this single bull run that was happening. And the moment it surpassed Dogecoin in terms of the market cap values and the ranking altogether, well, people started going a little crazy out there in terms of purchasing this token. I don't know what actually instigated it, but people were very much into getting a getting into this particular ecosystem altogether. Now, what's driving SHIB to go with such a big bull run? In my opinion, Shiba Inu is not just running based on only hype right now. If you have followed the news for Shiba Inu token, you have been seeing that day on day, each of the regions out there in the world are adapting Shiba Inu token some or the other way into their business. You have NowPayments.io partnership, which not only has opportunity for you to use Shiba Inu token to purchase certain real world items through shopping.io, it also has an option now to use your leash token as well, and that's the extra utility that's added for leash token and the Shiba Inu ecosystem altogether. Second, you have I just covered this yesterday in one of my other videos. Argentina, one of the builder, is now going ahead and accepting Shiba Inu token. Why not any other cryptocurrency out there? Why Shiba Inu token? Well, I do not know, but definitely yes, that's adding a lot of utility to this particular uh, cryptocurrency out there. And you will be able to rent or even purchase houses and properties from this particular property builder, who is offering you this service of getting hard not exactly one real world item altogether, or an investment in another way, right, on land or a house or a building, anything for that matter, using your cryptocurrencies. And now that real world utility is what is triggering a lot of momentum for SHIB. Not only that, yes, there is a little bit of hype in the background, but there are a lot of utilities that are getting added day on day to Shiba Inu token. And moreover, the Shiboshis, which was released recently, which was sold out within 30 minutes. They did announce very recently, a couple of days back, on the Shiboshis Social Club, which is exclusive to all those owners, and they would be having a direct access to the developer team, to Saitoshi himself, I believe, as well as they would be getting certain exclusive in first-hand information of whatever happens in the ecosystem. They would be the first to know, guys. So that kind of additional, concept of having people getting that privileged information, the VIP status that you can actually get by owning your Shiboshis, that also has resulted in a lot of people getting into trying to buy the Shiboshis one or the other way possible. And trust me, I was just running through a few of these prices of Shiboshis on OpenSea. Well, they are actually very much very very crazy, guys. Moving on, I just got this news out in terms of having not here. Where is that sushi? Sushi restaurant is actually accepting Shiba Inu tokens as payment, right? So that was the news that I just read. Where did that go? Just a moment. All right, here it is. Well, I did find an article for you guys so that I'll be able to explain it to you on what the usage is much better. Well, there is this sushi restaurant which will offer you 30% discount. Then this might be promotional. I do not know whether it's existing at the time of making this video, but it's posted on October 28th. That's today for me over here my time. So if you're paying with Shiba Inu token, then this sushi restaurant will offer you 30% discount, which is that, well, it's Hattori Sushi and Drinks that has joined the digital world by saying Shiba Inu funds. So Paraguay has actually started accepting cryptocurrency. Now we see that one certain restaurant starts off, then it can actually result in a chain reaction, guys. Now, day by day, you can keep seeing more and more people giving that utility to ship, accepting it as payments mechanism. And if my views are right, you never know, since now payments.io already have an option of paying salaries to people in terms of cryptocurrencies with invoices in place. You might see an established government mechanism where employees of any organization can be paid through cryptocurrencies, and the taxation system entirely which happens through the government now would be a smart contract. Now I'll speak more about it on my views on how we can actually implement blockchain in governance in another video altogether. I mean, I have a lot to speak about it, but for this video, in fact, just think of it, the adoption level or the adoption way that we can look at in terms of governance and cryptocurrencies and smart contracts. It's quite a huge potential out there, guys. And when a lot of people started accepting this, the adoption is increasing day by day. We are seeing that many new investors who were not even aware about cryptocurrencies earlier are now getting into the cryptocurrency trading. They're learning new things. They are also going ahead and using them as a means of business. Well, what more do you need, right? So this adoption is increasing day by day. That is the result, I feel personally, that the rally has been happening on a very positive note for Shiba Inu token. Much more to come, guys, very much more to come. There was also another tweet wherein Shiba Inu token also had a partnership with one of the scientific companies which was planning to build a rover which would take humans and colonize Mars planet. Well, people were asking for ship to the moon. Ship is all the way ready to go up to Mars now. Having said that, I'll end my video over here, guys. Much bigger things to happen in the coming days. Watch out for this space and do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for all the love and support that you have been showing me all these days. I would really like to hit the 750 subscriber marks. I have reached that 500 plus, and all thanks to you. Every credit goes to you guys, my viewers. And if people who are there who are still watching this video and still not subscribed to my channel, please show your love and support by just hitting that subscribe button and the like button. That would really mean a lot to me and motivate me to bring you much more better content in the coming days. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Happy Shiba Inu Day altogether. Enjoy the profits. But again, my personal advice, just hold on. There is much more to come. This is just the start, or so we are somewhere in the middle, in fact, right? So just hold on. Let's see how the price action moves out. And I'm pretty confident in the weekend we would see some massive, massive increase in terms of the price point for Shiba Inu token. Thank you so much once again, guys. Have fun.